At PALS Auto Sales and Service, it's just easier.
It's just easier.
And by easier, we mean to take the pain
Take the pain
out of the car buying
and car service experience.
Every car, truck, and SUV at PALS.
It's put through a rigorous 150-point inspection process.
150. Most even come with a no cost,
No cost.
no cost lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty.
Wow.
So you can rest assured that you're getting a high quality
Pre-love.
vehicle at the absolute best price.
Absolute best price.
And when it comes time to service your car,
Our incredible service team will come pick up your car.
and deliver it back to you with a fresh car wash.
Fresh car wash and vacuum.
When your car repairs are complete.
We want to be your car guys.
and car girls.
PALS Auto Sales and Service. It's just easier.
That's a wrap.